This is the final look. Getting ready for my grad pics. Okay, so I am breaking out a little bit from wearing the mask every day, but it's fine. I'm still taking these pics either way, but I'm so excited. I'm gonna get ready for grad pics. And of course, I have my LSU pants because in honor of me graduating from LSU. So usually before I go in with my makeup, I will take some moisturizer, and I don't have any water with me right now, but I'll go get some water on and I'll put a little bit on my finger and then just rub it in. So let me grab my water so I can mix it so it's all moisturized. Okay, so I have a little bit of water on this hand, so I'm gonna mix it in. Also have these that I might try to do. I'm not really good with extensions, but I will try. But let me get started on my makeup. Not with this. So one of the other caps just went on this little glue. Don't know. Been looking for that. Is anything in here? Oh gosh. Too much, too much. And just blend it out. Oh, I haven't showed y'all that, but this is my graduation cap that I made last night. This is like one of my favorite teacher quotes. It takes a big heart to shape little minds. I really do need to clean out my brushes. This one's purple. It's supposed to be white. Okay, so I went in with this one, plopped it right here and just did little circular motions. And then I also went in on top, like the mini version. And I went in with this one on top. So Pooter and then Hush Hush. I think the other color just kind of softens it out a little bit. It's a little bit of a brighter color, and then the Hush Hush kind of tones it down because it's more of a darker purple. I think it's Flip Flop, that's why I'm getting it. SBN above the blue, which is really pretty. This one, I'm just gonna apply it on my lid. And then just do the same thing to the other side. So get that same color. And then apply it on the lid. I always like to take the brush and go over it again with a little bit of more blending, because it doesn't hurt to be extra blended, if you know what I mean. You're all nice and blended. Now is the time where you do your eyeliner. Just do a little cat wing. Sometimes I take it all the way down to the inner corner of my eye, but sometimes I just take it like right about there. Now it's time to do the other one. Make it look symmetrical. I sometimes like to go like this to see like what kind of wing I made, because you can really see the shape. Ooh, not a good start. This is the final look. This is the dress. I didn't end up doing the fake hair because it wasn't curling.
Did not
my
curl
real
right.
hair.
Did not curl right.
Yeah, he tried.
Tried and failed.
Failed. Just kidding. You tried.
Quite unfortunate.
Graduation. Say bye.
See ya.